Hi, this is CJ, property manager. Now we are with our paint team, the lead of our paint team, and paint is very important. The color, the quality, all of that. And we're going to go through that with Justin from ColorWorld House Painting. This is who we use to keep our landlord properties in great shape. So let's bring you back to Justin here of ColorWorld Painting. Here he is, Justin.
Hi, I'm Justin with ColorWorld House Painting, and one of the ways that we ensure top quality on all of our painting projects is by our partnership working with Sherwin-Williams. We use all of Sherwin-Williams products as well as equipment. One of our main core products that we like to base all of our quotes on is this Super Paint. Super Paint has all of the protections you need. And pretty much nothing extra that you don't need. It has mildew resistance as well as fade and blistering and peeling resistance. This product is available for both interiors and exteriors. And then, so this is kind of our base product that we like to quote our projects out with, but we do have other paints for specific situations. This is a great one for those early spring projects where you're kind of having to fight with the morning dew and maybe some afternoon showers. This product can be applied down to a surface temperature of 32 degrees, and it will be able to handle any sort of light moisture and dry quickly enough for any unexpected rain showers. And after this, we also do have some duration paints, emerald paints. Those typically will be your premium paints that have all the same protections that your super paint would have, except in a more extreme durability.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what does the landlord need to think about when they have an older property, maybe built in the 40s? So what kind of advice can you give them as far as the choice of paint?
As far as choice of paint, it really comes down to the lifespan that you're looking to get out of that paint job. With super paint, you can expect to get it's more in that 7 to 10 year range, and then the premium paints end up being in the 10 to 12 year range. And each paint will have some unique characteristics, such as we have a Loxon XP, which is specifically formulated for brick and masonry applications. We also have Conflex, which is an elastomeric paint that is great for repainting stucco surfaces. We also have direct to metal paints and a full line of stains and sealers.
Dang, that's very extensive. All right, thank you, Justin. So as a property manager, this is the kind of painting team member that we love to have, because our properties have all different surfaces and all different ages. So someone like Justin, he helps us make sure that that property sparkles depending on its age and the type of paint it needs. So for now, this is CJ. We'll be looking more at this property and about painting and how best to carry that out. So this is CJ, property manager. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.